PROTON X70 safety system are developed out of three main perspectives: the car, the traffic, and the driver. This is what makes the safety system in PROTON X70 is so important, and the PROTON X70 features in advanced driver assistance system. We have like autonomous emergency braking system, the forward collision warning, the adaptive cruise control, the lane departure warning, intelligent high beam control, the blind spot information system. AEB or autonomous emergency braking together with the forward collision warning FCW system is actually using the mid-range radar sensors located at the front of the grille. So these sensors is using the 77 GHz radar, and it can measure up to 160 meter distance ahead of you. Using the same sensors, we also have the adaptive cruise control system. It's a cruise control system that will automatically adjust the vehicle speed according to the safe distance between your car and the car in front of you. So this safe distance can be set in your steering wheel switch. Either you want it to be 1.0 second, 1.5 or 1.9 second before the collision. Lane departure warning is a safety feature that will help to warn driver if there's any unintentional lane departure. What it does basically, it will use the front camera sensor located at the windshield, top of the windshield, and it will start to measure the road line condition. Lane departure warning system is actually tuned to Malaysia road. So we send our test engineer and our design engineer all over in Malaysia. We had tuned all the road condition in Malaysia into the system that we have in X7. Using the same front camera sensors, we also have the intelligent high beam control. It's a system where it will automatically switch on and off your high beam according to the situation. Intelligent high beam control system is very useful to those who like to travel at night. These features are included in the PROTON X70 that will reassure safety for the driver and its occupant.